Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the profile and what you can do in it. So first of all, the profile, you can access it by clicking the bottom right corner on your picture. Here in profile, you have essentially all of the backbone of myReach, all the functionalities and all the customization and integrations that happen in the background. Essentially everything that is not creating or searching for your information. So in the profile, you can do everything from fully customizing the product and to your needs and sort of your preferences, to then integrating additional functionalities, inviting friends, so on and so forth. So a lot of the functionalities that you see here below are a lot of the different aspects of the profile I'll cover in a separate video. In this one, however, I'll give you a quick overview as to what the profile includes and how you can customize your account. So in the top section, you have essentially a quick dashboard that explains a bit to you the status of your account. What is your current level, how many credits you have, how many nodes you've saved, how much memory you've currently used up, how many experience points you have, and so on and so forth. Each of these are clickable and take you to the respective sections. So how can you customize a bit your account? So first of all, like your personal information on your account. You can access it through here. Here you have essentially your personal information. For example, your birthday, your interests, what country you're based in, so on and so forth. If you complete all this information, you get rewarded. And bear in mind, we don't do any marketing or anything of the sort. This is purely for us to understand our early users, what are their backgrounds, purely for statistics, in order to better improve and customize the product for you. And if you fill in this information, then you get rewarded with extra credits and experience points. And for example, on your birthday, if you let us know when your birthday is, you'd get a reward for a specific amount of credits. So from here, for example, if you were to choose your interest, you can choose one or multiple, just select the ones that are most relevant to you. Then on your profession, there's a variety. You can pick the one that best represents your current profession and so on and so forth. And for the picture, if you just click on the picture, you can either view the picture, remove it, upload one, choose one from a link, or pick one from Unsplash. Unsplash essentially is a library that of free pictures, public library, where you can then search for any picture or any topic and then select the one that most represents or the one that you'd like to use. And then at the bottom, you have quick links. Quick links essentially is taking you, it's like shortcuts, taking you either to the users, to the levels and badges, or to your current credits. And the very bottom is where you could then delete your account, or would then remove after a certain period of time, actually 30 days, all of your information. Then you have settings. Settings is the other way you can then customize the product. First of all, there's the theme. By default, the theme is set in auto. Auto essentially says that if your device is in dark mode or in light mode, the product adapts accordingly, as you can see. Then below is the header. The header essentially is the color that appears behind your picture. So by default, the header changes based on your rank. That I'll talk in a video further down the road. So the color is normally set based on your rank. So as you increase rank, the color in the background would adapt and would change accordingly. But you can also then pick one of the specific ranks if you'd like to. You can then choose the language. For the time being, we're only offering it in English and Spanish. Down the road, we're going to offer it in multiple other languages. The mailing and notification preferences, and to change your password. The specific node settings, I'll talk about it in a separate video, as this is a bit more of an advanced feature. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via our forum and give us feedback. I would love to hear your thoughts about the product, new functionalities that you'd like to see in it, or any bugs that you might discover. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.